Terima kasih sudah klik video ini. Tapi jangan lupa guys, klik tombol subscribe, karena subscribe itu gratis. Dengan subscribe kamu support channel ini terus untuk upload hampir setiap hari. Ingat, subscribe itu gratis. Gak ada ruginya kamu klik tombol subscribe guys. Selamat menonton.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand, I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking at my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh, all the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming, ain't nothing. Yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100. Cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something. I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want in life.
April Fool!
Hey, shout out Temek. Shout out Kamikaze.
On that fuck shit.
Shout out Tete, you know what
you do to my drink? You what?
Nick Nack, Patty Whack, give a dog a bone. I was taking out your back, cause you motherfucking dome. When I look at your eyes, I know you're not able to last. With the two,
You
with the
what?
Smoking on the get a green on the scene with the lean. And my team gotta be Mr. Dream. I achieved Dolphin, can I show cause the cream I slide on the key 2020 on the scene. She got the meds on her back. Ask for the 100 in cash. He gonna let his tongue lash. She gonna give him a rash. I'm gonna get inside of the next wing and go to the Space Needle. I be smoking on OG, yeah, this for me, it's medicinal. Achoo, motherfucker gotta sneeze, gotta take one puff when it hits my brain. I do feel love when it hits you, you go swear it's stuck. Drifting in the rain, I'm on that funky town shit. Back wheel drive, I'ma tell you I'm not gonna quit. Popo, come to the front door, get to the back, to the back, to the back, to the back. Hold up in the Beamer, go around the block, take a lap, take a lap. I am an addict and it is fantastic, I can't get enough of them sandy cheeks. Sandy freak, sandy freak. One more blunt, her panties breach. Go down to the beach that is right next to the Bikini Bottom. They go turn the city into one big Gomorrah and Sodom. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. I like her cause she a freak, I like her cause she a freak. All the meat that just got beat, all because them Sandy Cheeks. Jack out here in the middle with the mummies, coming with the heat, I'm a dirtbag, call me. Dab so thick it look like honey, perfect at a smoke, it is sunny. When I eat out Mrs. Puff, she gonna fucking expand. I can't even flex, I don't even got one band. Push up on the gas on the fucking invisible Buckmobile. Put the money in the bag, cause you know that we need that steel. You can't tell me that pearl ain't thick. Cause Sandy Cheeks got a bag of tricks. Fuck the cops, I only respect the hall monitor. Now put them Sandy Cheeks above me, now I am a gobbler. I am an addict and it is fantastic, I can't get enough of them Sandy Cheeks. Sandy freak, one more blunt, her panties breach. Go down to the beach that is right next to the Bikini Bottom. They go turn the city into one big Gomorrah and Sodom. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. I like her cause she a freak, I like her cause she a freak. All the meat that just got beat, all because them Sandy Cheeks.
You asked for a couple of ice cubes in your drink, and I only put in one!